He made
Yeah,
two bands.
yeah, hell yeah. Now, what question did you have, bro?
Um,
You can go over the trades I took today or however you want to do it. It don't matter.
yeah, let me see the trades you took
Cool.
and why you enter them.
Yep, I got you.
I
Let me
bet.
erase everything off the screen. Yeah.
This shit that cool. You could that look at share screen and shit. This shit fire.
What I'm gonna do, remove drawings, session breaks. All right, cool. So today, boom. All right, boom. Damn, replay this shit. Boom. So this morning, what I had marked up probably was something like this
I
as
can't.
a fo-
Are you looking at a thing right now? A chart?
Yeah, you can't see the chart.
Nah.
Damn, what the hell? Share. Oh shit, my bad. You can see it now.
Yeah, facts.
You see it now, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So this is what the 4 hour probably looked like this morning. I have some shit looking like this. Uh,
Oh, I was gonna ask you. So, what time do you start? You trade at open, right? Or do you trade before open sometime?
I trade it open. I wait to open every day. I don't trade before open. I be
Yeah.
waiting for market to open. So I for sure had this right here marked up as a 1 hour zone. Um, Probably had some shit down here too, but I ain't even gonna go over it. I'll just show you the trade I took. So
That
boom,
first green candle would be the 1 hour zone right there. You was just
where like right
Oh, you
here.
see, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this is a 1 hour supply zone. And it's the 1 hour supply zone. Why? We broke structure to this is the lowest point. So this is the market structure shift to the boom, market structure shift to the downside. This is the last green candle. So it becomes a supply zone. That makes
Mm-hmm.
sense. And
Mm-hmm.
then also, so since this low right here, what happened?
Mm-hmm.
It broke this. So
That's
that's
why it became that green candle before it was the previous.
the
Yeah.
next supply zone, just like that
Mhm.
right there. So that's how my chart looked this morning, just like this, bro. And oh no, we go down. That was the 1 hour. We go down to the 15 minute
What's SB? Supply break.
supply structure break.
Okay.
Yes,
MSS is what market structure support
market structure shift. Yeah.
shift. Oh.
So boom, this morning I had this 15 minute zone right here. Remember this morning when it was dumping early, and I was like because it tapped into a zone, a 15 minute zone. This the zone I was talking about. So we pushed up into it and rejected right off of it. And then I had this right here marked, but we never came and tapped it. You know why this zone
Wait,
right here is?
wait, time out.
Go
Wait,
ahead.
I got a question for the top one. So
Yep.
why is that um the blue one? Yeah, the top blue one. Yeah, why is not the green candle
This
above?
one here or this one?
Yeah, yeah,
This one
that one. Yeah. Why is that not the support zone?
because this is technically the support zone right here because it's a gap fill, and these are the last green candles before we broke
Mm.
structure to the downside. Let me change this to structure break. Before we broke structure to the downside, these were the last candles. But what I noticed was a lot of the time when the supply zones be this small, it's usually a zone above it that it'll tap into. And that's exactly what it did. See how they these motherfuckers
It
small
broke
as
pat.
hell broke right through it and went right to the next zone, and then we got that big ass rejection off
No,
of it.
why wouldn't that the all right, you see the top, the yeah, that why is not that green candle the support?
Supply,
I mean, yeah,
but
the supply, my bad.
because this is the last. This is really the last green candle before the before the structure break, bro. This this green candle is the last green candle before the structure break, not this one. So this one we
Mm.
got is this candle, then red candle, push down, then we got another green candle, then we get the break.
Okay, okay, makes sense, makes
So
sense, makes sense.
if this candle here broke the lows, then it this would have been it, but it didn't. Since this green candle was the last candle before the structure break, it is technically the supply zone that was created. So if we go down to the 5 minute, so we go down to the 5 minute, bro, boom. That was the 15 minute. That's why I be drawing up the zones and stuff from. But see, the reason why I don't be fucking with them 5 minutes, like I said, bro, what happens when we got up here to this little ass zone, pushed right through it and went to this 15 minute zone that we had or whatever. And then we get the sell off. That was the sell off at market open. We got the sell off or whatever. And this is where we can kind of get into the trade that I took, bro. So boom. All right. So we broke. This is a market structure shift to the downside, right? Because we took out these lows, we broke the low. That's a market structure shift to the downside. So technically, guess what? This becomes a supply zone. So what did price do? We broke the lows for a market structure shift, create this supply zone. We pushed right back up into it. So at that point, I was even looking for puts. At that point, I'm like, okay, we just created a supply zone. We pushed back up into it. Now I can look for puts. But guess what didn't happen? We never broke below this damn candle, bro, for an entry. That's why I take my entries at. When you push up into the zone, we got the rejection out of the zone, out of the supply zone. Now I was just waiting on the break of this candle. Guess what happened? We never got the break. But if we did get the break, my entry would have been like this. It would have been below that candle, break a candle. My stop loss would have been either at the top of this candle or at the top of the zone. And then I would have just been targeting the lows right here. 1 to 1 basically. 239 ticks. Shit, that's what, $1,500? That's a good trade. I mean, that would have been cool, but that shit ain't happened, so it is what it is. I moved on. So what happened? We end up breaking structure. So we flipped structure. We broke the top of the down. We broke the top of the downward range or whatever. That became a market structure shift. Then what happens? We look for the red candle before the market structure shift. And this is why I took my trade there. Right here, this exact trade, bro. So we broke the highs. That created the damn demand zone. That created this demand zone right here.
Mm-hmm.
And what happened? I waited for the push out of the zone, which is this candle here. And then I literally took the break of that candle, bro. The moment we broke the top of the candle that pushed out of the zone, I
And
literally
your
hopped
stop
in
loss is right below the
right
green.
below it. Yep, for
Yeah.
95 ticks. And I literally got out at the high. Damn. I literally got out at the highs right here, bro, for 100, like 100 and some ticks, and got out
That's
right there. And that's
that's
it, fam.
lovely.
Smooth
That's
ass
lovely.
trade. That shit went straight up. Went straight
That
up to
was
the next
lovely.
zone up here, bro.
Where's that
Smooth
zone
ass
at? Let me
trade.
see.
It was
What was that, an hour?
the hourly zone. Yeah, hold on. The hourly zone we had up here.
Yeah, that's a crazy ass drop too.
Yeah. Had that 15 minute up there too. 15 minute
Damn, we got
zone up
a
here.
we got a crazy ass demand zone now.
So yeah. That was the trade I took today, that right there. But it also gave another opportunity. I was just done trading for the day. So if we replay it forward a little bit, so let me delete this. Boom, boom, boom. So we got the damn break of these highs or whatever. So with the break of these highs, this become a damn demand zone. Boom. There you
Tapped in
go.
there. Mm-hmm.
So if we was looking for continuation, it'd be some shit like this. Let's see what we get. Oh no, that's the end of the day. Damn, I'm tripping. This was the damn zone right here. Oh, so it was actually right here then where that shit happened. There, we got the break of these damn highs. This red candle becomes the demand. We and then boom, it
It
would have been
tapped
the break.
into it. Yeah,
Yeah,
facts.
same thing. Still would have got a decent amount of ticks out of it. 130 some ticks, 104. That's still over $500. That's cool. Like a nigga can make a straight living off $500.
Hell yeah. Every day? Hell yeah.
So that was on the 15 minute, but on the 5 minute, it looked more like this right here. Boom. It's cleaner on the 5 minute. You get the break of highs
Bro,
or
you say
whatever.
you say you don't be jacking the five though for that.
Yeah, facts.
It just
But
go right through it, right?
yeah, during the
But
day,
sometime it work. Yeah, sometime it gonna
yeah,
work.
sometimes it worked, but we had that 15 minute demands on right here too though. So boom on so hold on, let me make the 15 minute zone like yellow or some shit. Make this bitch orange for right now. Go down to the five. The 5 minute, it's the same thing. We got the break of the highs. We pull back down into it. We still get the push out of it. You still get the push out of it. You could have took the break of this candle, and you still would have got down 100 and some ticks, like 140 ticks. So, but yeah, once you get them double confluences, like how we got this 5 minute demand zone inside of a damn 15 minute demand zone.
That means
That's
it's
too.
extra sturdy.
Yes, yep, exactly. Exactly. And that's kind of what a nigga be looking for, like double confluences. Like once you get them double confluences, then you can you'll know what's real and what ain't.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, so here's the exact right here. This is literally the damn trade I took right here, bro.
Oh, because it broke to the upside right there. That's why.
Broke them highs,
Mm.
trade this demand, push out, break a candle, boom, too easy. That was literally the trade I took right there, bro. You just had to be patient and actually wait for structure to play out. And that shit kind of man, that'd be the battle just waiting on that shit.
Yeah, yeah. That's the thing that I noticed with it. You that gotta wait those out.
But yeah, let me go ahead and mark up this shit here.
That new one right there.
I'm gonna go up to the hourly, make this bitch orange. Mhm. Let me delete this shit for tomorrow. All right, so boom. Let me see. Go to the 4 hour too. 4 hour, we got this on right here. We get back down here. I know it's gonna fly for damn sure. We low key got this zone right here on the 4 hour too. I don't like it though. That hoe
Apply.
gonna that hoe gonna look funny on the 1 hour, I bet. Yep. See, I don't like how that shit look.
That's the
So
same thing
I'll
I got
delete
right
that
now.
and just keep this 1 hourly. Boom, boom. And yeah, that'll be that. On the 15 minute, we got this zone here. And we'll just have to wait and see how it play out when it get to here. See, okay.
Bro, I told you somebody caught that. Felon said he caught it, right?
Yep, felony did. And it look like that on the damn. And on my charts, bro, whenever you see an arrow, it's because that's liquidity, what I consider to be liquidity. So you can sometimes see like on my charts or whatever, if I got like a green line, sometimes you see price wick right below it, and then take off the other way.
How do you cut?
So
How you um,
that I ain't gonna lie, that shit that get a little more difficult. Like, but the green lines on my charts be first lows or first highs. Like that's basically like liquidity. It's like some market structure shit that I had to learned a little while ago. Um, like this shit right here was liquidity. Let's see. It's right there, yeah.
Oh yeah, and you be using the fib,
The
bro.
field
You said
and
something
that.
about the fib the other day. I was like,
Yeah, I be
what?
fucking with that field pretty heavy too. I ain't even gonna count.
It's good.
Yeah, I fuck with it, bro. You just gotta practice with it a lot and get used to using that motherfucker. Cause once you got it, you got it. But if you don't know how to use that motherfucker, you'll fuck yourself up. But yeah, if you got
And now
any
you
questions or something,
putting the wrong line, right?
yeah, hell yeah, bro. You'll fuck yourself up, bro. For real. But yeah, nah. If you got any questions or some shit, you wanna go over a different chart or something, we can answer whatever, bro.
Let's look at Wait, hold on. You got another? I do too. Where's this? All the way down. I try to make sure like my chart and your chart look alike. I'm on a 1 hour. I'm on a 15. Hold on. Hey, it's looking like it's about to go back down into that zone.
Mm-hmm.
I don't look like a tomorrow mode. I don't like happen. And it's going down in there slowly, which is a good thing.
What you said you was trying to go over?
ES, my bad, bro. I
Oh,
was
no, you
looking
good,
at
you
it.
good, you good. I wouldn't even. I got tripping.
I'm
Yeah,
trying to
yeah,
make sure that we
yeah.
had the same
The zones and shit.
yeah, for NQ. YM.
What the
You be
hell? Oh, my
trading
bad. I
YM,
thought I
right?
clicked on you need me to go down to the 15 or something?
Yeah,
Or you was
15
good
cool.
on NQ?
I go to the 1 hour. Let me see. I got that same.
I got this down demand zone here for the
Mm.
hourly. And
It's
then
actually
this
got the
one here.
same back one. Cool. Back. Go to ES.
Yeah. All right, let me go to the 4 hour. Let me see something. So boom. We had this here. Boom, broke high. Boom, boom, boom. Then we broke structure right here. Broke it back to the other side. Boom, we just broke it to the other side here. All right, cool. So this will be a 4 hour zone.
Yeah, I literally just got the same thing too.
That'll be one. This is technically one right here too. This is, but
Yeah.
I don't like this zone.
That I didn't see.
Yeah, I don't like that zone. So go down to the hourly. Yeah, I don't like this 4 hour zone. I would prefer to use.
You wouldn't count it, right?
Yeah, I wouldn't count that. I prefer to use this 1 hour zone. Like that right there. Oh shit. Like that. Let me pull this back over. Okay, so boom. Now let's see. All right, we had the breaking structure here. Boom. This becomes a 1 hour zone as well. It's a double confluence. Boom. Then we got a first low right here. This is some liquidity.
Wait, how do you see that the double confluence or what's that on? Oh, you're
So
looking
this
at
is
one
the
hour.
4 hour zone right here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and then this becomes an hourly. This is an hourly. This became an hourly zone because we get
Oh, it
this is
broke the
the
structure. It broke it. I see it. I
yep,
see
it
it.
broke the structure right here. So
Yeah.
that becomes a market structure shift to the upside right there. So this is the last red candle, but
It's
so it
literally
becomes
it's basically sitting in the whole candle though. So you do from wick to wick?
what you mean? Like, hold on, what you mean by wick to wick?
How you measure it?
As far as talking about demand zone?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's wick. I use wick to wick. Yeah, I use wick to wick. Let me see. Okay, so cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And we broke this supply zone right here too. So yeah, we should. Okay. So boom, this zone right here probably gonna get broke through, bro. Yeah, that zone probably gonna get broke through. And this is also a first. This is liquidity right here. So this zone probably gonna get wicked through for sure. So what could happen is this motherfucker could get wicked through some shit like that, or we just flush through it, come down here and find I'm finna put the fib on it. Hold on, give me 1 second. As a matter of fact, so boom, 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 boom. Okay, so yeah, some show. We could wick below this zone, reclaim it and fly. We could fuck around, take out this liquidity, and goddamn me bounce somewhere up in here and fly. But shit, we fuck around, just drop. We'll fuck around and
All the
break.
way to the other one.
Yeah, we'll fuck around, break through this zone too, take out this liquidity, tap in here, and then fly like that. So when I be having these lines below, hold on, give me 1 second.
Hmm.
So when I be having these lines below the zones, that mean them zones might just get broke through because it's liquidity right below the zones, bro. So they might just wick through the zone, take out the
Hmm.
liquidity, and then fly. But that's on the 1 hour. Let me go down to the 15-minute time frame. Delete these lines real quick. Let me delete these damn lines. 15 minute. Yeah, this is some more liquidity right here. And what you'll start to notice as well, bro, when price be up here and I start having like a bunch of lines below it, that means it's a lot of liquidity below it, bro. And that's another way I kind of be knowing like these shits work like magnets, bro. Like that's another that shit gonna kind of pull price back down to it. So that shit kind of be giving me a heads up that price might just drop. Like we break through this shit here, we gonna end up coming down here and tapping off one of these damn zones or something.
How do you determine the what's liquidity though? Because then I could make a million zones and then it won't work because it's liquidity. You know what I'm
Liquidity.
saying?
Yeah, nah, for sure. So that's why it's important to wait for the break of candles, bro. Like
Oh, for entry, right? What you were
for
saying
entry,
before.
yeah,
Yeah,
for
yeah,
sure.
yeah.
Waiting on them break of candles, bro. Like
Hmm.
that's why I goddamn I'm big on that break of candle entry shit so I don't get faked out by liquidity and shit. Cause you'll fuck around and hop in some shit and you like, oh yeah, it's gotta fly now. Hell no, that motherfucker, you never get to break a candle. That
You're gonna
motherfucker
get
still
too
going,
mad.
yeah, still going the other way on your ass. So, but yeah, this is how my damn spot chart would look for the most part, bro. Um,
I'm so
that
curious to what
zone
it's
been,
gonna do right
that
now.
zone been tapped. Yeah, this zone here gonna more than likely get broken down through for shit show. I ain't even gonna cap.
Due to the time that it is too right now. Like, you know what I'm saying?
You said what, bro?
Due to the time that it is right now too.
What you mean?
Like it's not even it's not even it's not like the morning session.
Oh yeah, 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 for sure.
Hmm.
For sure. For sure. Yeah. Nigga, we didn't erase the whole move. Like,
Nah, I see it.
this shit gonna get broke through. Let me go back to the
ESNQ that eyes the same, bro. Let me see YM. I never looked at YM. How much is their cons? Game thing
five
con.
like NQs.
Oh, so it's the same as okay,
Yep,
okay.
the same as NQ.
ES is graded already.
Yeah, hell yeah. ES is like $13 a fucking contract or some shit.
I see YM thing right. Oh, are you doing it? Oh yeah, facts. Oh, but I'm on a 15 minute though. Okay.
Yeah, I'm on the hourly.
Start four.
Mm, 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 mm. I ain't worried about price coming way down here. So yeah. Um, it's about the lows. We took out them highs. So yeah, we can get a pullback down here on YM. This bitch gonna fly. Cause it ain't really no more supplies up here. Let me see. Let me see something real quick. Extend it to the left. Mm, yeah, no, I don't like that. I don't really be fucking with YM too much. It be bullshitting sometimes, bro.
I joined Cap.
Yeah, the whole be bullshitting sometimes. Um, look on my shit on gold though. Gold look good for buys. It just ain't got no volume right now. It's
Oh,
bouncing
worked
out.
off and your support.
Yeah,
What
yeah,
is that?
and it's off the field too. This shit got like a lot of buy confluences. It just ain't got no damn what's the name. I got to
No,
try. I
no
had a
pusher.
yeah, I had a trend line
Trend
right
line.
here,
Mhm.
bouncing off the trend line. I had the field right here, bouncing off the field. Got an hourly fucking demand zone, pushing out of the hourly demand. Like that shit just ain't going right now. I don't know what the hell going on. That motherfucker just ain't going right now.
That joint's supposed to fly, ain't it?
The motherfucker supposed to fly, bro. It just shit just ain't working out right now. Let me see what it look like on the 15. Boom. We took out this liquidity. Got that liquidity right here. These highs. Damn, that was quick. Took out them highs. And throw the fib on it real quick. See if that's where we rejected from. Boom. Yup. See how that shit rejected perfectly with the fib and got that drop right
Mm.
back into the trend line. But we done broke through the field now. So
Then it bounced off the trend lines. Boom.
yeah. So I don't know, man. This shit should fly, but when gold usually do the opposite of NQ. So
My
shit,
NQ
this shit
fly. That
kind of
joint's supposed to
stagnant.
dump.
Hell yeah, this hoe kind of stagnant right now though. So um, somebody was in Nvidia earlier, wasn't they?
Yeah, and meta. OP.
Let me look at this shit real quick. Boom, 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 boom. We're gonna go to replay. What's today? Monday. We already on. But I ain't gonna do that. I'm tripping. Boom, boom. Let me see. Hourly. Boom, doom, doom, doom. So before market, we had this motherfucker right here. It bounced from.
Is that demand right there?
Where right here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a demand zone, but it pushed right through it. Let me go down to the 15 for NVIDIA. Let me see. What the fuck did it bounce from this demand here on the 15? Man, on the 5 minute, it might be another demand on top of it. So boom, hold on.
The hell
Uh,
is bats?
you see how I just fixed my chart though, right?
What the hell is that?
Bats.
I think I got glitches.
Mm. That's what I was
This
trying to tell y'all the
thing
other
got a
day, bro. Like
nigga
that
got a
shit kind
glitch. Wait,
of
what?
man. But let me see. Let's. Oh, and this was had some air liquidity in it. So boom, that's why I rejected. Which went right up to the supply. Came right down to this 15 minute and then got to pushing up. But shit, we got another fucking supply right here. They rejected off that bitch again. So I don't know.
Oh,
Nvidia
perfect.
might continue. Yeah, Nvidia might,
Keep going down.
yeah, keep going down. We got another
It
damn
might break that
zone.
zone. Yeah.
We got a zone down here that they could tap into. A zone down here that they can tap into. Nvidia could come down a little bit more for sure. But with my luck, that bitch will reverse and go the other way. You said somebody was in metal, wasn't they?
Yeah, the same person that was in Nvidia.
Let me see. On the hourly, boom, we broke structure to the upside. We took out the high. Mm, mm.
That supply up there, right? That green
Or
candle?
up here,
No, to the right. Well, where did it start at? Where did Monday start?
right here. This is the opening candle
Oh,
right
so
here.
that's the
We got,
demand right there
you
then.
know, hold on, let me go down to the 5 minute for this shit. So we got to push up, pull
Mm-hmm.
back down, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I wouldn't have been able to take no trades on this motherfucker. It wasn't coming back into the zones. Cause this is the damn demand zone right here, and it pulled back, but it never pulled back into it enough for me. So I wouldn't have took that. And then right here, we broke highs. We never pulled back down into here. So I wouldn't
Mm-hmm.
have been able to take that either. So I wouldn't have been like a no trade day for me. Yeah, even the fib wasn't working like it was supposed to. So I wouldn't even been able to trade this motherfucker. Yeah, I wouldn't have took no unless I do this something like this. Just catch it when it pulled back to the 21, but hell no. Wouldn't have been able to down. I wouldn't even been able to trade Meta. Let me see what Tesla got going. I could have caught some on Tesla. Tesla.
Starting on the five.
No, I wouldn't have started from the 5. I would have started at the damn hourly. Really, the 4 hour. Hold on. This chart look disgusting. Okay, so let
Nigga
me
got cheat code bats dot Tesla.
let have some shit like this. We broke to the upside. Boom. Go to where the fuck is the hour? I'm on the hourly. Yeah, I would have been cooked. I wouldn't be able to take shit on those stock plays. Cause we got this stupid ass. Yep, I would have. Let's see it. Boom. Doesn't look like that. Damn, It would look like this.
Mm.
Break a candle. Break that candle. Damn.
Joint moving the whole joint.
Boom. It would have been like, damn.
Damn.
It would have been like this. Targeting these lows or something. I would have caught this little dump right
Zoom
here.
in, zoom in, zoom in.
So boom, that would have been the zone. You see how it
Mm.
rejected, tapped it perfectly right there, and I would
Mm-hmm.
have entered
Mm-hmm.
right here at the bottom of this, at the break of this candle off. This would have been my entry candle right here, and just took that one down just like that,
Straight to
and
the
I
bottom of where it previously was.
boom. See how it came really right back to the same damn
Mm-hmm.
demand. So I would have
Mm-hmm.
been targeting in that area just like that. So Tesla
On
could have been a
Tesla,
cool play.
on options, that would have been weak though.
Yeah. Hold on, let me see. Let me see. Down to that 5 minute. Yeah. I don't know. These two counters could have gave some premium, but fuck that. That shit wouldn't have.
Yeah, it would never pay.
Yeah, it wouldn't have really even pay. Yeah.
That's still good trade though. Great trade.
Yeah, that's really how I be doing it, bro. It's just the same thing over and over. I look for the same shit over and over and over and over and over and over again, bro. Over and over and over and over again. Go to field from here to here. Let's see. I broke the field. So, no, that's on the 5 minute. Let me get up off that 5 minute.
I gotta know what you be using the fib for.
When you get these big ass expansion moves like that, like green, 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 red, 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 like multiple candles in a row type shit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's how I be using it. And we gotta wait to see really though. Let me try something else. Let me try something else. Let me try something else. Boom. You see how I had this damn arrow right here as liquidity?
Mm-hmm.
When I throw that field back on it, look what it match up with perfectly with that damn field level. So like I said, we'll fuck around and get a reaction off of that little off of that damn first low right there.
I think it's gonna go blow right through it.
I think it's going I don't know if it'll blow right through it. I think what'll happen is we'll fuck around. Watch, bro. What'll happen is we'll fuck around and we'll blow through these zones, but we'll get like right below this arrow, reclaim this arrow, come back up a little bit. We could fly from there, or we could fuck around and fly a little bit, then reject and come down here and tap into these zones. But I do feel we're gonna fuck around, come down here and take out this liquidity right here, get a reaction, and then it's gonna really do what it's gonna do.
Mm.
But yeah, this shit finna go off too, bro. I can uh I can send you this recording too.
Yeah,
Damn.
for sure.
Did it let me send you the recordings last time or nah? Did I email them to you? How did I send them to you?
Yeah, email.
Okay, yeah, I can email you these.